morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about cloud computing. We will discuss the term cloud, basic terminology in cloud computing. We will discuss cloud characteristics, and lastly, we will talk about the goals and the benefits of adopting cloud. The main reason of this lecture is to set the groundwork for the future lectures. So please pay attention. If you have any question about anything, feel free to interrupt. Let me start with a technical fact. Do you know that many of the apps you use, such as Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, and Netflix, are cloud based? All of these apps make use of the cloud. All of your messages, your photographs, your videos, and your documents are saved on the cloud servers. And it allows you to access your data from any of your devices at any time without depending on the third party backups. Isn't that amazing? Let's move on to the first topic of today's lecture. Most of you have been using cloud all of your life, but many of you still have the following question. What exactly is a cloud? Cloud refers to the global network of servers, each with a specific function. These servers are located all over the world and they are linked together to form a single ecosystem. Cloud servers are located in data centers all around the world. Data is uploaded to the cloud servers. These servers, as well as the softwares and the databases that operate on these, can be accessed via the internet. Nothing is local. That means when anything is in the cloud, it means that it is stored on the internet servers rather than your computer's hard drive. In the event of hard drive failure or another hardware breakdown, you can simply access your files on the cloud. It serves as a backup solution for your local storage on the physical drives. Cloud is like an extra hard drive you can access anytime when you connect to the internet. To make it more clear, let me give you an example. If you own an Android smartphone, you certainly have a Google account. Google Drive is actually one of the free services from the Google that allows you to store your files online and access them from anywhere using the cloud. You can actually access your data from any device, including your smartphones, your tablets, your PC, iPhone, or iPads. The files you add to your Google Drive application are kept on the servers in the secure data centers. Your data stored with Google is secured during the transfer from your computer to the servers, and also it is secured while your data is present on Google Drive servers.